Another session of data engineering. This is a series of sixth series of the data engineering. So today we're going to talk about ETL versus ELT. So what is ETL and ELT? ETL is extract, transform, and load. ELT is extract, load, and transform. These are the two data integration approaches used in data engineering to move the data to the from the source to data destination storages like warehouses or data lakes. So what are the major differences? We have to extract the data from the source and then transform it. After that, the loading will be done. That is called ETL. Second is that ELT will be the extraction will be done, then loading is done, finally the data transformation is done. So what are the what are the differences and what are the advantages? I created small table for this. So here is a quick comparison for this. So ETL extract, transform, and load. ELT extract, load, and transform. So the processing, it will be the loading, transformation is done in the before this one. Once the extraction is done, the extraction location itself, the data will be transformed, then it will be taken for the loading. That is for ETL side. But the in the ELT side, the extraction is done, the transform is, then it will be loaded to the destination. On the destination, the data will be transformed and take it to the right places for the further processing. So this is a major differences between the two processes. What is the speed level? Because it will be from the slower, the ETL will be slower due to pre-processing. The data will be extract location itself, source itself, it will be transformed. So mostly the stores will be sources will be like OLTP or smaller systems. So obviously the data processing will be very slow. But for the ELT side, the transformation is done in the data lake or data warehouses, so it will be very faster. So because that data warehouse or data lakes are mainly designed for the massive parallel processing, so the data loading will be, data transformation and loading will be much faster. Where it is suitable for, the ELT will be ETL will be suited for the structured data and on-premises databases, like when we use Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL. Sometime it will be used as a data warehouse. Then and only we are going to use that structured data, and it will be in the on-premises itself. So ETL is a very good process. But for the ELT, you can use it for the big data. We can take it from the different sources and data will be huge. Then it will be used in the cloud and real-time analytics. Then ETL will be that, like real-time data loading or anything. It will be good process actually. Scalability, because it is in ELT, ETL will be in the on-premises, so it will be limited scalability. But for the ELT, highly scalable because it's in cloud. Mostly it's on cloud because the data lakes and big data, mostly we use the cloud. On-premises, it will be very negligible, so it will be highly scalable. Storage cost wise, yes, ETL will be lower cost on processed data, but for the ELT, it will be very costly. So some of the ETL tools we can suggest is that Oracle, the SQL Server and Teradata, all this will be on-premises based, so it will be this one. ELT, we can use that S3 for data lake. Snowflake is there, big Firebolt is there, and BigQuery, Google BigQuery is there. So those things we can use it for the ETL and so on. This is about the ETL and ELT process. So if you have any queries or questions, please give us a feedback in the comment section. We will take it and we will discuss in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, please pass on with your friends and colleagues and ask them to subscribe and like it. Thank you so much. Bye.